Hey everybody, Dashboard here. After leaving the Dick's Wings and Wheels car show, or lack thereof, I decided to stop and do a little rail watching on the way home. Well, I struck out there too. Here's some of the footage. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Tires, your spins player.
Yeah, got a quarter. You want one?
5. $30.
That's the shit that aggravates me.
What?
The key in the mic.
Yeah. Something coming up behind us or what?
No, going on it's that road over there that goes up to the depot.
Oh.
Now we're in the shade.
No, we're not.
You're not.
You moved too far forward to be in the shade.
Well, there's a ditch and a culvert there.
Yeah, I know.
Man, I can back up there.
But that's kind of what I thought you were gonna do, but
I had a truck behind me.
I know.
That says I can't. Although I can't see nothing behind me.
Don't get in the ditch. Might have been better over there.
Thank you,
You don't know which way they're gonna come either way.
Right.
Okay. At least we got a breeze. You feel the breeze?
Yeah.
Okay. What was that?
The window behind you.
Oh.
Yeah, there's 4 damn tracks here and nothing.
Go ahead, over. Sorry, I didn't hear you on the Crawford Tower. I was just calling to see how many brakes you got applied and to see if that van showed up for you.
There's one on the siding out at Crawford.
chicken there's family specials
It was
here.
ordered for $4.50. That was the earliest I could get. So if it doesn't show up by, say, $4.55, let me know.
Waiting on something.
I only fixed the ride up to Jacksonville. I didn't know if they were going to just take the straight to the hotel or not after. All right, Eddie.
Switching crews.
Mm.
That's what that was. We gotta go.
Why?
Something coming up behind us. That's what.
Oh, okay.
That's why I didn't want to be over here in this damn road.
Yeah, alright. Do you want to go by the pig and get something to eat?
I guess.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.